Welcome to SIDDHA YouTube channel. Your journey to wellness starts here. Let's go to today's topic. Nutrient-rich carrots, the secret to a healthy lifestyle. Carrots are a popular vegetable known for their vibrant orange color and sweet flavor. They are not only delicious but also offer a variety of health benefits due to their rich nutrient content. Here are some of the health benefits of carrots. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, which is essential for good vision, a healthy immune system, and skin health. Number 2. Eye health. Beta-carotene in carrots is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is crucial for maintaining good eyesight. Consuming carrots regularly can help prevent conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Number 3. Antioxidant properties. Carrots contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and lutein, which help protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. This may lower the risk of chronic diseases, including certain cancers and heart disease. Number 4. Heart health. The fiber and potassium in carrots can help support heart health. Fiber can help lower cholesterol levels, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Number 5. Digestive health. Carrots are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Fiber also contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can help with weight management. Number 6. Skin health. The antioxidants in carrots, particularly beta-carotene, can help promote healthy skin by reducing signs of aging and protecting against sun damage. Oral health. Chewing on raw carrots can stimulate the production of saliva, which can help prevent tooth decay. Additionally, the fiber in carrots can help clean teeth and gums. Number 8. Weight management. Carrots are relatively low in calories and contain fiber, making them a satisfying snack that can help control appetite and assist in weight management. Number 9. Immune support. The vitamins and minerals in carrots, such as vitamin C and vitamin A, play a role in supporting the immune system, helping the body fight off infections. Number 10. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that diets rich in carotenoid-rich foods like carrots may be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, such as lung and breast cancer. Number 11. Blood sugar control. The fiber and antioxidants in carrots may help regulate blood sugar levels. However, individuals with diabetes should monitor their carbohydrate intake, including carrots, as part of their overall meal plan. Number 12. Hydration. Carrots have a high water content, which can contribute to overall hydration when included in your diet. To maximize the health benefits of carrots, it's best to consume them raw or lightly cooked, as overcooking can reduce their nutrient content. Incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables into your diet, including carrots, can provide a wide range of nutrients and promote overall health. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and subscribe SIDDHA YouTube channel for more health updates.